Mika here, hi. Time to master your track. All cool. Maybe from something like this to this. Okay, here is how I do it in my Platinum Master Track workflow. First I check there is enough headroom. At least -4 decibels true peak is needed at the loudest parts of the track. Once checked, I continue by removing any unnecessary, meaning unheard, low and high frequencies from the pre-master. After those basics are done, I create a machine learning-based master with isotope Ozone, providing a solid nowadays industry standard master for many needs. Once I have a nice basic master, I continue with fine-tune mastering EQ and subtle glue compression, followed by Gullfoss dynamic master EQ adjustments. After those tweaks, I typically add analog console or other lo-fi saturation when preferred. Now it is time to check the tonal balance against the preferred reference sound material. After the desired tonal balance has been reached, it is time to check for wanted loudness, dynamic range, and that there is no clipping. Last, but certainly not least, I cross-check the master track in various listening environments and tweak the settings of any previous stages if I feel it is needed. I hope you got some ideas for your own mastering, and you're always more than welcome to get me to help you with your masters. Once all is done and the sound is pure platinum, we're ready to export our mastered track and convert it into final wanted audio formats. And hey, if you like this video, please leave a comment and like it, and subscribe to my channel.